Mr. Johnny Harris makes $32,000 approximately per month and $392,000 per year. That's very low estimate of his real income. He makes much more money, a few times than this. And in this video, I will also show you how you can make $2.4 million using exactly what he is doing. We have been doing the exact same thing in a different way, and we're going to share what you can do starting now using 3 to 5 minutes of your time and make money just like this. Sounds good? Awesome. Let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. Alright, so in order to explain how Mr. Johnny Harris makes so much money, let me first introduce myself. I have a software company and we make 7 figures per year selling softwares. Softwares are basically solution to problems. Just like we solve our problems of selling our softwares. So here is a stats of our own. Last year, from one of our accounts, we made $70,000. It sounds awesome. Wow, big money, $70,000. But that's not the real money. The real money is here, right here. You see this number, 29,308. This is where the money is. These are the real people we solve problems of. In order to solve problems, we make videos, simple videos just like this, but without using camera and without using microphone or our own voice. We use our software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic software is free for you. Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes a script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections, right? Then we make simple videos about questions people ask on the internet. So here is one question that people are recently asking a lot. Inflation. What is inflation? This is Google Trends, by the way. You can go to trends.google.com and search for anything, and you look at the trend of people looking for information about certain topic. And today's topic is inflation. I will come to that in a moment, why I'm talking about inflation. So right at the moment, inflation is high and it's a big problem for everyone. That's why people are talking about it, and that's why Johnny Harris made a video. A simple video saying inflation explained in 6 minutes, but he took more than 10 minutes in total. His definition of inflation was around 6 minutes. And in the last 6 hours of publishing the video, 123,710 people watched this video. This is the number I am talking about. You see this 29,308 people that viewed or clicked or watched our offer, and we made $70,000 from there. So now you can possibly imagine how much money Johnny Harris made from these views in theory. Plus, the number I'm showing here, this is only from YouTube AdSense. So now we see the money? Okay. Now let's say you want to make a video about inflation and you want to make money. So how do you make money? Step number 1, you do some research on the keywords people use about certain topic. So we used a handy dandy software called Uber Suggest to know more about what people are asking about inflation. And we saw, people are 368,000 people per month searching for the keyword inflation. They want to know more about it. And inflation calculator and etc, etc, etc. All these numbers you see here, these are the numbers of searches. Or in other words, these are the numbers of people looking for these keywords on Google. And yes, the second largest search engine on the planet, which is YouTube, is getting 3.18 million searches at the moment about inflation. So now let's talk about you and me, how we can make money from inflation. Number 1, we can make videos just like us using our software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free. Go grab it. Now, instead of making these long videos that you can easily make by simply learning about stuff on the internet from Wikipedia and from everywhere else, even using other people's videos, but there is a shortcut. The shortcut is YouTube Shorts. So let me explain. I just searched on my phone using inflation, and look at this. Just go down below a little bit, little more, and right here you see the shorts feed. Shorts are basically 1 minute or less than 1 minute long videos. YouTube recently introduced shorts to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels, and in order to make them popular, YouTube is trying their best to promote and encourage the shorts and the shorts creators. This is the chance you can take. Go grab Epic and start making videos about what people are looking for. Look at YouTube, what people are looking for. Look at Google's search results, what people are looking for, and make simple 1 minute videos using Epic. And let me share the numbers I am looking at right here. 1.2 thousand views, 1.7 thousand views, 882,000 views on just one of the videos you can see right here. If we consider $2 per view income, then from 800,000 views, we can theoretically make $1.6 million, right? All right, now let's say you're making a lot of videos every single day using 3 to 5 minutes of your time using Epic. Now you have a bundle of videos. What can you do with them? How can you make more money? The answer is simple. Go to Udemy. And Udemy is a place where people can upload bundle of videos and sell them as online courses. And Udemy has over 97 million customers. Around 20% customers come from Google every month. Now, when I searched with the keyword inflation, I found this course, which is not directly related to inflation, but it's related to investments and all. I just wanted to show you the possibility on Udemy. This course has been sold to 22,378 students, and they are charging $109.99 for access. So all these students paying this much money made total $2.4 million. Go to the course content section and click expand all sections, and you'll see they are tiny size videos, bunch of videos about information, nothing else. While making your short videos, you can make these videos as well, bundle them up, upload them on Udemy, and start making money. Super simple. Udemy has customers. They are looking for these courses to buy every day. They will buy and you will make money. Google will send you more visitors and you will make money. From the shorts feed, you'll get visitors. You ask them to go and buy your courses, they will buy and you will make money. And that's how we make money every single day, every single month, every single year, and you can do it too. So Johnny Harris is making money, beginners are making money, people are making money on Udemy, we are making money selling our softwares just by answering people's questions using simple videos that we make using Epic. You can do that too using Epic. Epic is free for you, link is in the description, go grab it. Oh, I just forgot to mention, we use another way to create contents. You see somewhere at the bottom of this video, either on the left or the right, a text box where text is automatically generated as I'm speaking. This is another artificial intelligence software which is transcribing my speech into text. This is free for you as well. Link is in the description. Go get it. Create content for people. They will love you and they will buy from you. This is so simple. So we use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years, but we can't do it without your help. So all we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, WhatsApp contacts, SMS contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. How cool is that? Go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.